Disclaimer. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Do not attempt this at home. Vitiated how to will not be responsible because you decided to be a cheap ass and not hire a professional.
On with the show.
Welcome back. I'm going to show you how to turn this seed from the bowl, from your birds, into new seed again. How? Well, that's pretty simple. This little gadget right here, Seed Saver. That's the guy that originally made it. This little contraption is pretty badass. What you need is a bucket, some seed from your birds that's in the bowl, and a little shop vac. It works really well. You just stick a hose up in there, and you walk over here. And voila, good as new. Now, you ask, how might this work? Well, it's pretty simple. You dump the seed in there, and it comes out there, okay? But you got an adjustable baffle right there. It's where, as you're vacuuming it out, you adjust that baffle to accordingly. Because if you're still getting some of the holes in there, like right there, then you just run it back through again and you close the baffle a little bit more. If you're not getting hardly any seed in there, then you open the baffle a little bit. Open it more, and then you get more out. But you got to do it with a clean shop vac, not a used one. It's got to be brand new. Because if not, you can get toxins in there and bacteria in there, and then it gets in your birds, and then it gets in their crop, and then if you raise birds for any amount of time, then you know what's going to happen. Okay. Well, if this guy no longer makes these anymore, I'll tell you how to make them. He used to make the cardboard ones. I don't know if he makes the fucking plastic ones now or not. This is an older version, and it's one of the original ones. I've had 14 years, I think I've had it. So I'll tell you a little bit about it. The PVC right there is 1-inch PVC. And the thickness here is like 1/8 of plastic. You can use plexiglass if you want. I mean, there should be more designs on there, but overall, you can make it about whatever size you want. The inside is the tricky part. I don't know how he did that. And I'm not cutting this open to ever find out either. After you fill the vacuum to its fullness, then you have what's left over. I only have 2 buckets. I didn't think to buy another damn bucket. So I'm using a trash bag, a clean one. So I'm going to dump this into a trash bag until I empty the entire bucket. Then I'm going to come back and have this filtered through again to see how much I can get out of this. I end up going to probably be doing it 2 more times. It's a big difference from this to this. If you learn to control the baffle just right, even the small pieces of pellets that they break, when they eat them and they fall back in here, will still fall through. Just the dust won't, and the holes won't, or shells, whatever you want to call them. So now if I threw all that away, that's fucking 20 pounds right there of seed that I saved. And it's only 5 pounds maybe of shells, if that. So that's pretty smart, pretty good.